How to fix your iPhone getting stuck on recovery mode. Now this is what you will see on your screen, and this is the recovery mode. You will see the support.apple.com/iPhone/restore link on the top, and this connect to a desktop icon on your screen. Now this is basically the recovery mode, and iPhone users use this mode when you try to restore or update your iPhone. So in this feature, what we'll do is we'll just have to force restart our iPhone. Now to do that, just press and quickly release the volume down button. First the up button, then the volume down button. Just press and quickly release it one by one, and then press and hold the side button. And when the Apple logo appears, release the side button. This will basically just restart your iPhone, and you'll no longer be on your recovery mode. So that is basically the fix. The other thing you can do is you can just update or restore using your iTunes. Now, for that you'll need a PC, but in this video I'm just telling you a way without PC. So yeah, that is basically all for this video.